Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to farm Abyss Gears in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This camp is in the northeast of the Spire of Frost in the Demonis region. Now there are few things you need to prepare. First, let's create a save file. We can go back to it if we make a mistake. Second, you need to equip a sword and shield. Lastly, this is optional but this makes the farm easier. Bring a pet with you. If you don't have one, we have a video covering that in this channel, so make sure to check it out. Also, free up your inventory because we will gather a bunch of gears. Now, how this farming method works is we will disarm the enemies here using the skill bash. Run towards the area and get their attention, then keep holding guard. Once they hit you, do a shield bash. This move should disarm them, and once they're disarmed, our pet will pick up their equipment containing the abyss gears we need for crafting. Keep doing this until all enemies are disarmed. Now run away and make sure not to defeat the enemies at this camp or you will get locked out of this farming method. Keep running away until you can teleport to the Witch Woods. Interact with the witch and select Extract Abyss Gears. Now extract the gears on all the weapons and shields we picked up in that camp. After extracting everything, sell these weapons. We can now use these gears for crafting to try and look for level 3 Abyss Gears using special syntheses. You can keep repeating this farming method infinitely if you just make sure to not liberate that camp. As you can see, if I go back there, the enemies will spawn with weapons and shields again. And that is how to farm Abyss Gears in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.